Sorry. Right now we are here in Qutb Minar. Qutb Minar is one of the famous and historical places in Delhi. So right now we are visiting here. Today because of one big problem, I'm not able to give much dialogue. Still then I'm going to show you some new places. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. नज़ारा तो बढ़िया है. सन तो अंदर चला गया माई का साथ बाप के साथ. तो the scenery become more clear and beauty. Actually after the church we want to visit these places, so we may not able to capture all the places. Still then जितना जगह दिखा सकते हैं वहाँ पे दिखा देगा. आप to enter this Qutb Minar you need to pay 40 rupees per head for Indian, and if you're foreigner you need to pay rupees 600, right? So we are entering by paying what is that? What is the price? 40. If you are below 14 you are free to enter.
15.
Place free. If you are 14. If you are below 14.
Below 15.
Oh sorry, 15. Sorry. If you are below 15 you are free to enter. Phụ ra đây, đừng cái đồ tài xế. Video lu tadi ya, sorry dulu. Sorry. This is Qutb Minar. For that purpose only we are here. इसके लिए इस नज़ारा को देखने के लिए अभी आया है. अबे, what is time now, bro? Oh, you're videographer. What is the time now?
I don't know.
I think it may be 6:30 something. So
6:37.
6:37. But it looks more beautier, more pretty. So, what a sexy scenery seen by my eyes. Wow! On the top we can see it, right? Yes. I think here is someone. Love you the way. Wow. This one, see. This one. Here is someone. There is not, here is. The thing which is not possible to touch by own hand must be that one. Not here. They tell us not to visit these places because here it's totally closed.
Okay.
I think the empire of this place, I'm feeling very tired. Empire giving with always what is that? Oh yeah, there is an aeroplane. Sister of helicopter, and the sister of helicopter. आर्टेमी को गलती नहीं होगा तो किसको गलती होंगे? आर्टेमी से गलती होना जरूरी है. Vlogging. This type of vlogging. तो सब पूरा सिक्योरिटी का वजह से अच्छा तरह से ब्लॉग कर नहीं पाएगा भाई. Dây mà các quỷ à? Ai xuân dây đi. Ai xuân dây đi. गोरखपुर में पता नहीं गोरखपुर में well because it's too blurred, man. Finally we are in Qutb Minar. This is token. If we lose this token, so we token loss penalty is 100 rupees per token. So once again, if you like to visit इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू विजिट दिस प्लेस, अगर इस जगह को आप विजिट करने के लिए मान पे सोच के रखा तो आप रात पे इस जगह को अगर विजिट करेगा तो और लुक्स देखने में अच्छे लगेंगे. इट्स मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन दिन को. रात होने से और भी अच्छा होता है. अरे यार अभी तक कोई दिया नहीं है.